how to schedule a Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can schedule a Google Meet. To do this is very simple. First of all, launch the Google Meet application on your device. And then once you've done so and you're brought to the home page, move to the bottom right corner where you can see the new icon and then click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to the page where you'll see options like create a new meeting, schedule in Google Calendar, create group. So just select schedule in Google Calendar and you'll be taken to the to your Google Calendar. And here you can now go ahead and schedule the meeting by adding a title for the meeting. So what is the title of the meeting? It could be something like project discussion, for example. And then you can now add a working location if you want. Then the next step would be for you to set a time. All right. If this is the time, you can leave it as that. But if not, you can click on it in order to change the time. Then if you want it to be repeated, the next step would be for you to add people to the meeting. So you can add people by typing out the email addresses of the people that you would like to add. So after typing out the email addresses of the people, move to the top right corner and click on done. And then you have to select it if guests can invite others or not by clicking on guests can. And then if you don't want them to invite others, click on this toggle for it to go off. But if you want them to invite others, click on it to come on. Then select the location, of course, which is Google Meet. Then you can add a physical location if there is. You can add notification, default color. You can add the description of the meeting. You can also click on an attachment in order to add attachment. And then once you're done modifying the meeting and putting all of the necessary details, move to the top right corner and click on save. And then invitation emails will be sent to the Google Calendar of the guest. If you do not want to send, click on don't send. But if you want to send it, click on send. And then just like that, the invitation will be sent and your meeting will be scheduled, such that when it's time for that meeting, a notification will be sent to you. Once you click on it, your meeting would start automatically. So this is how you can schedule a Google Meet meeting. Thank you for watching and have a good day.